The Instagram menus and settings are changing all the time, but as of now, in March 2026, here's how you can deactivate or delete your Instagram account. You'll first tap your profile on the bottom right corner, and then use the little hamburger menu button on the top right corner to open your settings. Once you're in the settings, we'll go to Account Center, which should be on the very top. Once you're there, you'll go to Manage Accounts. Then you'll choose your account. Some of you might have more than one, so make sure to pick the right account. You'll tap Manage, and you can then deactivate or delete it from here. Now, you can use either option, but they're very different. Deactivating basically looks like you deleted your account. Others won't see it or be able to search for it, and it'll stay that way unless you reactivate it through Account Center or log back in. So, good for a temporary, even longer pause, with the option to return if you decide to do so. Deleting is permanent. Everything will be deleted and wiped clean, and there's no going back. If you want back, you'll have to create a new account from scratch. So, pick the option that fits you. You'll be asked to confirm with a password, and you're done. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech-related tutorials like this.